Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a tree table in Heartopia. So I'm just going to place this little wall here, and I am also going to change the color of it to this color. You can change it to whatever color you want. I'm just going to choose this color. And then we're going to go to building materials and we're going to grab this tree. If you don't have it, that means you need to purchase the permit from Bob. And I am going to get another low wall here. And I'm just going to color it the same, like that. I'll make like a few here so I can do it without having to change the color every single time. Like so. That is the base. We also need to add in this. Hold on, let me find a taller wall first. So again, the bottom will be the same color as the top. Let's use like flooring. Okay, let's use this. I don't know what color I want it to be. Let's just do this. Should I do like a lighter color? You know what? I'm just gonna do this. It's fine. And then I'll just use like a brown for the ceiling. If I can just find one. There we go. Then I'm just going to move this to the center of the tree like so. Now here's where we're going to make the table. Go to others and we're going to use this surrounding it, the wooden wall storage. And I'm just going to color it, well, try to color it the same as the rest here. Just going to place it all around the tree. Okay, now you have two options. You can either use the joinery. Do I even have it right now? I don't think I have it. You can either use, oh, I do, the drawer cabinet as like the filler for this, or you can also use the pillars. It is up to you on which one you prefer. So you can either make it like this, or you can use the wooden pillars like this. So let me just grab that. Make sure it's the same height. And just place like 3 around it, I guess. Or you can have it like that. And now it's time to decorate. So again, I'll be right back because it's totally up to you how you decorate it. But I will be right back with the finished results. And I am finally done. This is the finished results. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!